Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Pokémon on your laptop. First, understand that emulators are software programs that mimic a game console, letting you run its games. For Pokémon X and Y, you will need a Nintendo 3DS emulator. Before starting, check your laptop's specifications. A modern processor and at least 8 GB of RAM are generally recommended for the best experience. This ensures your gameplay will be smooth and enjoyable. The most widely used and recommended emulator for Nintendo 3DS games, including Pokémon X and Y, is Citra. To get started, navigate to the official Citra website and download the latest stable version compatible with your operating system. Once downloaded, run the installer. Follow the simple on-screen prompts, agreeing to the terms and choosing your installation directory. This process typically takes only a few minutes to complete. Next, you will need the actual game files for Pokémon X or Y. These digital copies are typically found in a 3DS or CCI file format. Once you have your game file, open the Citra emulator. Navigate to the File menu, then select Load File or Open. Browse to where you saved your game file, select it, and the game should begin loading within the emulator window. With your game loaded, it is time to set up your controls. Citra allows you to map keyboard keys or connect a gamepad for a more authentic experience. Access the Emulation menu, then Configure, and finally Controls to customize your setup. You can also fine-tune graphics and audio settings for better performance. Remember to save your game frequently within the emulator to preserve your progress.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.